guys have 5-zone climate control on your BMW. You will have the air filter located over here, and you need to change that one too. So this is filters that I have for the front, and those the same will work for the back too, which is only take one. So for the front you guys gonna need 2 of those, and for the back you need only 1 of those filters. So today I'm gonna show you how to easy change these filters that located on the back. So first of all, we're gonna take those covers. I'm gonna take this cover. We're gonna flip this up. We're gonna take this piece off. And in order to do that, we're gonna lift this side up and we're gonna push it forward like that. So this will give, by doing this, that will give us room to lift over here, which is I'm gonna show you that right now. See how easy it is to get it out. And then as soon as you get this one out, you pull it away from that plate. And that's how you get this thing out. Then we're gonna twist those nuts and we're gonna get this cover off. All right, so we don't have to do anything with this. All what we need to do is, where's my screwdriver? All what we need to do is just pull those 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, which is I'm going to do that now. So we're gonna pry it with a screwdriver and pull it out this clip. 1, 2, very easy to do it. 3, and now this cover comes off. Alright, just like that. So now to get access to this cover, so we need to pull this tube away or out. So there is an arrows for installation and how to take it out. So in order to take this tube off, the arrow pointed up, so we're gonna push it this tube up. Okay, and then as soon as you guys do that, you will free up this part, and then you can easily pull this away like that, and then just push it down this tube. And that's how you get this thing out. Okay, and now we get access to this cover. So all what we need to do with the 2 fingers, push it up over here, just like that, and that's how you get this cover off. And now we can get access to this filter. Some people showing that you don't have to take all this away, but to me that's the easiest way, because I have a very easy access to the filter. So now I can pull this filter out without bending it or doing anything like that. When you take this filter out, so you gotta watch these errors and install your filter, the brand new filter, is the same way. So the errors has to be pointed towards the vehicle. Okay. Okay, so I've got my filter, brand new filter. So I'm going to install. Okay, just like that. Push it in. Errors pointed that direction. And now I'm gonna set the cover like that. And you gotta make sure you guys line those things up. So those tabs sliding inside. The same here on the bottom, just like that, and just push it down and lock it. Okay, just locked it. So it should have a small click, just like that. Okay, and then now we're gonna set this tube back So in order to do that, so we slide in first this in like that, all the way to the top, and then we're just gonna line it up over here and press it down, just like that, and the whole thing fat. So now we're gonna put this cover back. Okay, now we're gonna put those pieces back. Just like that. Okay, and yeah, then we assemble everything back together the way we took it off, and that's it.